Yo, what up? So this is Havel here. I'm going to teach you how you can change colors of your terminal window and configure them as you want. And to do so, let's first open the terminal window. On Windows, press the Windows key and type in this command to search for the terminal window. You type in cmd, hit enter, and so this is my terminal window as you can see. Let me try to maximize it, and to maximize just press Windows and the arrow pointing upwards. So this is it. Now to change the colors of the foreground and background, all you have to do is just simple hacks here. So let's first have a quick intro of some of the colors we can work with here. Type in the commands color and space, then help. So here we are just going to see the colors that we can work with inside this terminal. You type the command color, space, then help, and hit enter. And as you can see, this is what we have got as a result, the output. And it's a brief context, as you can see. So it explains here that we work with the hexadecimal number system to change these colors. And this number system, actually, if you want to know more about it, just go to Google. However, you don't need that much knowledge to configure this thing of the colors. All you have to do is get to know that we need 2 digits, and these 2 digits, the first digit is going to be representing the background color, and then the second digit will be representing the foreground color. The foreground color will be that of the text, as you can see here. So it is giving us an example here that how we can set it. You type in the command color, space, then FC, and this FC represents here, look here at this menu. The F represents the bright white, as you can see, and then the C represents light red. So as you can see, these digits, they correspond to the color you want. You just type the command color, space, then the digits that you want to use. Let's try it and see. Color, type the command color, and I'm going to use the background to be 1. Don't forget the space, for if you don't do so, it will give you an error. You type color, space, then number 1. It's my option, number 1, and then followed by, let me use F. So 1 represents blue, as you can see, and then this F represents the bright white, you see. So this is what I want to set. And another thing you have to know that it is not all about the cases. You can either use the upper cases or lower cases. Either way it will work. After typing the command, hit enter. So as you can see, that has worked. See, and if you just type in the color without the variables, all these values, it is going to revert the color back to the colors it started with. If I'm to say, you could consider them to be the default colors. You see, if you just type the command color without the variables, as you can see, and hit enter, it takes you back to the colors the window started with. So as a quick overview, to configure colors of your terminal windows, all you have to do is, firstly, you can type color and then help to get to know the colors you can work with, and then the option is select from this menu here, and you can boom, select. But you first type the command color, space, then the digits that you want to choose. You can choose either 8, the background to be gray, and then the foreground to be 0. And that's how you can do the configuration of the colors of the terminal window. Thank you.